A new protein may be the key to longevity. Can the bacteria in your gut prevent obesity? A new solution for allergy sufferers. Is gray hair a sign of heart disease? I'm Dr. Ross Carter with the Regenerative Warrior Show. Your daily dose of longevity and wellness news in 1 minute a day. Welcome to the Weekend Wrap-Up Edition. It is well known that as we age, our nervous system, which transmits electrical signals in the body, becomes sluggish. Aging is a process which is controlled at a level of the DNA. Therefore, knowing the factors that cause the genetic changes that make us age can help us figure out a way to live longer. A new study has found that a specific protein can be a key factor that drives age-related genetic changes. Its function is to turn off a variety of genes in our nerves. Interestingly, this protein is present in large amounts in the fetal brain. Now, scientists have found that it is reactivated in a brain during aging. High amounts of it in our nerves make the electrical responses more controlled and slower, which is a hallmark of brains of older adults. The more we understand this amazing protein, the more effective we are at preventing aging. Believe it or not, a large number of bacteria live inside your gut, and they provide a lot of benefits to you, the host. Add to these benefits, a recent study on mice has suggested that your body fat could be more metabolically active when signaled by your gut bacteria. You see, your gut bacteria use the nutrients derived from the food to form a chemical called trimethylamine, or TMA. The study showed that when TMA was blocked by an enzyme in mice, they didn't get obese even after being fed high-fat diets. In fact, they had more of what's called the good metabolically active fat. Thus, blocking the bacterial product TMA was found to be instrumental in making your fat good and ultimately protecting you against obesity. Is the pollen in the air flaring up your asthma? Spring and other triggering factors could become a curse for a lot of us because of our allergies. While there are some treatments available, the body really stops responding to them pretty quickly. This is because the immune system has a memory of its own. This memory makes it treat an allergic-causing compound as foreign every time the body is exposed to it, leading to an allergic reaction. To delete the immune system's history, scientists have now employed gene therapy. In this therapy, blood cells from the patient are engineered to produce the allergic-causing protein. The body no longer recognizes such proteins as foreign, thus making it desensitized to allergic-causing compounds. Scientists have successfully tested this therapy for asthma. In fact, this method has also led to one-shot treatments for various allergies. Graying hair is part of the natural aging process. However, many people also face premature graying of the hair. A new study indicates that premature graying of hair in men could be linked to a greater risk of heart disease. Scientists have established a link between gray hair and atherosclerosis, a condition in which fat, cholesterol, and calcium block the blood vessels. Interestingly, a similar biological mechanism drives them both: oxidative stress, which changes the hormone levels and causes inflammation. Confirming this link, scientists have found that men with coronary heart disease have more gray hair as well as higher levels of atherosclerotic calcium deposits. So if your hair is turning gray, maybe you should get a checkup. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the show so we can continue to make more. And let's do it again next week.